Today is the 7th of January and it's Christmas Day in Ethiopia. And here in Addis Ababa is where Orthodox Christians celebrate it together.
Even surrounded by the city's buildings and all the people, it feels like being inside one huge church. It's a really special moment.
Merry Christmas, everybody.